I'm making these videos for my students. Let's continue with the video. Today we are going to discuss on what's new in Revit 2023. Revit version 2023 released on April 5th. To know what's new on Revit 23, so here we are in the Home tab. Okay, so this is the button, Home tab. If you click here, you'll get the Home view. Okay, so here in the left bottom you can see what is new: online help, community forum, and customer support. If you click on what's new, and here you can see, so that link going to open what's new in Revit, and here you can filter this. So I'm just going to productivity tool. Oh, so many changes are there in Revit 2023. So you can go through these titles, these filter rules, and you can read what's new in Revit. For now, I'm going to open Revit 2022 and Revit 2023, and I'm going to compare 2022 and 2023 in my view. So we have Revit 2023 open here. I'm going to close this now. So here I have two software. Let's open 2022. So this is how it is visible. Actually, here you can see the shortcut, they have changed it. They have given a small update. Before it was just R, now it is R with RVT. I'm opening Revit 2022. So this is how it's opening. We are seeing the theme here, and you can see the logo, Autodesk, and here you can see, and this is our Revit 2022. So this is actually Revit 2022.1. so I have installed an updated version, and even here you can see in the home page you can see what's new. So this is going to show what's new in Revit 2022. Let's click here. You can see here it's going to load Revit 2022, what's new in Revit 2022. Okay, I'm going to open Revit 2023 now. The theme has changed a little bit. They have given some design. Nice view. You can see the logo here, and it's just showing Revit 2023. Okay, so I'm going to compare here now, and we can see here this is Revit 2023 and this is our 2022. On the left side we have 2022, right side we have 2023. Okay, so actually in the home page there is not much change, and only the icon you can see the Revit logo and Autodesk dock logo got changed. Otherwise everything else is same. We have recent files here, model, families, everything is same. So let's open any file. So in 2022 I'm going to open this file. In 2023 I'm going to open this one. Okay, so we can see an interesting update here in the project browser, and you can see here, so this is what we had in Revit 2022, and in the right side you can see, in the project browser we can see a small checkbox now, and they are showing in two different color. One is white and one is blue. And if you want to change this to a previous look, then you can right click here, and here you can uncheck, and you can see now this looks the same. If you want to bring it back, show view placement on sheet status icon. This is on sheet status icon. Okay, so whichever is blue, that shows that this view is placed on a sheet. Whichever is white, that's not used on a sheet. Okay, that's a good update. And here in the quick tools, we can see we have two updated options in quick tool. So we can see here, one is PDF, another one is activate controls and dimensions. So first of all, we are going to see, okay, so we need to know whether it is available on 2022. This is my 2022, and you can see here this option, the PDF, export to PDF option and activate controls. Those two options are not available in 2022, but in 2023 we have that. Okay, I'm going to show you what is it. So in the previous version, to print a PDF, you have to go to print command in the previous version, and here you have to select any PDF driver and you have to print this page. But now we have a separate icon to export this view as PDF. Now you can just select here and select and choose your configuration for this print. I'm going to print this current window, and then I'm going to give a name and save it in the desktop. Okay, I'm going to save it in the desktop. I'm going to give fit to page, center. I'm going to export. This is already exists. Let's say okay, I have already printed the same page. That's fine. I'm printing again, and here you can see, so as we have the shaded effects here, Revit is showing that raster processing is used for the sheet. Okay, that's fine. Go to desktop. That PDF should be here. Okay, this is that's it. Okay, so this is how you can export to PDF in one click. Okay, next one, another icon is activate controls and dimensions. So to explain you, I'm going to view 3D view. Okay, if I select all this element and if I have this pinned, and you can see I have lots of pins. In case if I activate this and unactive, now you can see if I select also, this is still pinned, but this will not show the pin icon. I'm going to explain you once again. If I select everything and if I activate controls and dimensions, this is going to show you all the pins. If I uncheck, it's not going to show which is pinned, and this will not show any temporary dimension. That's a new feature. I like it. That's all for the day. If I get time, I will explain other new updates in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.